Hi there, welcome back to Jana Eats, the gluten and dairy-free cooking show. Delicious food for all though, something for everybody here. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to make tahini puffed rice, like Rice Krispie treats. So it's kind of a spin on a childhood favorite of mine. My brother used to make them all the time in high school. Anyway, so we're going to start with a tablespoon of coconut oil. One thing that I do is I buy it in bulk, and then I just put it in a little manageable jar. So that makes life easier. So I'm going to put and we're going to lightly warm this. So warm that. And I'm going to turn it down a little because you don't want the tahini to get too hot. It'll crystallize, so be careful. Then we're going to do a 3/4 of a cup of tahini. I have organic tahini here, and I also put a little coconut oil in my measuring cup so the tahini, and I'm also going to be measuring honey so it'll come out easily. So 3/4 of a cup. And I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of honey. I like to buy local honey. It's good for you. Support local farmers, beekeepers. You know the drill, right? So I'm just going to stir that just till it gets to know itself and ends up a little liquidy. I'm going to put a tiny bit of salt in here. I'm going to say this is 1/2 teaspoon salt. And I'm also going to put a little vanilla in here, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. So this will be the base. Oh, it smells really good. We're going to put 3½ cups of crisp rice. And you can use brown rice, you can use any kind of rice, puffed rice, 1, oops, come here, 2, 3 and a half. There, I'm going to put this all over that. I'm going to mix this well. These are sugar-free dark chocolate baking chips, and I'm going to add 1/2 cup. You see, they're perfect little dark chocolate nuggets. So I prepared a baking dish. 8x8 will work, 9x9 will work. My 8x8's in the oven, so I'm using this one. I think it's 6x12. Anyway, so you're going to put your bars into the pan. Then you're going to press these down really firmly. So a firm press to really get them pressed into this pan, and then we're popping this into the fridge or freezer for about 30 minutes. So stay tuned. We'll be back with the finished product. See how easy that came together? Go make some Rice Krispie treats and add tahini. Whoop! We'll be back. Okay, we're back. I pulled those treats out of the freezer after about 30 minutes, and they were perfectly solid. They cut beautifully, and I'd show you that, except Kyle and I ate a bunch of them. Really, really good. So here they are, beautiful little Rice Krispie treats. Use those sugar-free chocolate chips. You won't regret it. And while you're on my channel, I would so appreciate it if you would subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what you want to see me make next. What are your favorite things? Do you want baked goods, or do you want entrees? Things like that, after school snacks. Hit me up and I'll make it happen. I'll see you next time, and thanks so much for tuning in to Jana Eats, gluten and dairy free all the way, food for all.